welcome back to another video with Growing Up Trace.
Growing Up Trace!
Oh my gosh, you guys sound so amazing. Alright guys, so we about to go to a quick car wash. We're not doing a hand car wash, it's a quick drive through. What is it, like a drive-in car wash? Yeah, you just drive in. Then we want y'all to pull us. Yeah, it's just gonna pull us. It's gonna like a magnet. Yeah, and so we want y'all to come along with us. It's a short little journey, but it's a journey, it's an outing. I mean, y'all not doing nothing, right? Yeah. Y'all probably in the house quarantining, is a pandemic, right? So just come with us. And we about to treat this like a whole amusement ride because we haven't been out since this whole coronavirus, COVID thing been going on. So, oh, listen to Asha. She has something to say. What was that? Asha, what was that? I think she said for y'all to subscribe and turn on your post notification and give this video a thumbs up and hit like and comment. Say something. Talk to us. We want to talk to you. Where you from? We from Miami. Where are you from? You know what I mean? Okay, let's go.
Welcome.
We're about to go through the car wash. You too, thank you. Oh, Oreo, don't go too fast. It's gonna be so fun, guys. Y'all, welcome back to another video with us. Oh, you gotta put the tire through there. Let me move this paper. We getting the car wash, y'all. We going through the little, what's they call this anyway? Oh, he said come. The little spin cart thing. Oh, your window. Oh, that's why it was so noisy. Y'all ready? Yeah. This is so exciting. Look at Naya. I should sleep. I should knock it out. Dang, Asha, you missing out. Where's Cinnamon? Cinnamon sleep? Okay.
Sorry, you gotta put neutral and no brakes.
Oh, put it on neutral and...
Put it on neutral, exactly, and no brakes.
And don't press anything.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Alright?
And no brakes, right?
No brakes.
Okay.
Alright, so we have to put it on neutral. Put your window up. Here we go, guys. So it's moving us on its own, right?
Yeah.
This is gonna be so much fun. Yeah, look. Ah, look at it go. This is amazing. Ooh. Yeah, check this out. You scared? Oh, what is that sound? Oh, look at the colors. We're covered in unicorn poop. Unicorn poop. They're getting you back there, Naya? Oh my God. We're covered in unicorn. Oreo just chilling. Oreo like, this is nothing. I do this all the time.
All the time.
Oh, look. How cool. Woo! Look how nice this lighting is. Woo! It's like the amusement park for me right now. Oh my gosh. Now it just looks like it's raining. What's gonna happen next? What's gonna happen next? I can't wait. Oh no, it's gonna make a lot of noise. Oh no, I thought it was gonna make a lot of noise, but it's not. Look how nice the lighting. That was purple rain. Purple rain. Now blue.
That is so
Ooh. Oh, now we're drying out, guys. Sasha up.
Yeah, she woke up.
I think that's it, guys.
We gotta wait.
Again! Let's do it again! I'm kidding, guys. This is the end of the car wash. I think, yeah, that's it. That's the end. Everybody else is doing the details on the inside. We're not doing all of that. All right, guys, close the video.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. And make sure you check out our song.
That's what's up.